Hello, it's Subhan Mustafa. Assalamu alaikum. And it's a Friday, 13th of June. So here it is. We are on chart. It's a daily chart, BTC chart. And this is a rough chart, messing on Twitter with some shitty like to form engagement. But this for understanding my analysis and like what I will say, this chart is really important for that. These lines are important for that. First of all, for bear market, you have to do this BOS here, close daily below here, and then we will be entering bear phase till like 85K. This will be our 85K target, a small bear market. And how it will work, it will work like the same the way it worked here, like we deviated, reclaimed, failed, again deviated, and then we boom up towards high. Now deviation, boom, BOS. Here it was a BOS. So if we did like something like this, we will see these uh, lower zones below. The probability it is, and it's crypto. You never know what happened next. Anyways, welcome back to the stream. Now, time for real analysis. So trend lines. People are making trend lines, and I will also create some important levels. 88,500. That is before the previous video. If you watched, I have explained this really in depth. This is a weekly order block. But now focusing on this shit here. Okay. So we have BOS, and this should have been our BOS, but we have one top, we have double top, and we are creating this kind of resistance. I will mark this as a resistive trend line. So breakout, now this is clear. Breakout here will lead us very high, and it is creating some kind of pattern. Still, no people didn't saw it. You will. This is the first one I am drawing this channel here. So soon you will see this channel on CT soon. So this is a channel as well, and we might tap here and then we'll bounce and then like this and this. This is a first probability here. We have channel forming up here, and this is a resistance. This one, another resistance formed here. This is a daily resistance, and this is a deadly resistance. I call this as a deadly resistance. So breaking out here it will take some time. So those who are like in with this candle, like they were, oh, we are going back to the 120K. Fuck off, sit down, sons. So this will I will remove for now. Now back to quick uh, market structure. Market structure says we have swept these lows, then we shifted our structure and we created a gigantic daily order block here, or CISD, one single candle, whatever they call it, and we tapped 50% of it, and now we are bouncing. So right now, according to market structure, if I take Fibonacci tool and from low to swing high, where is my range? Range is here. So we are in premium zone right now. So this zone is basically a long zone for us. But the problem is where we will long. According to geopolitical situations, uh, things aren't good right now. So what will be our zone to long Bitcoin and all that? We will find out soon. So these are our resistances. Now this is our daily support here. I will mark these as a daily resistance. Sorry, it is a support I marked, daily resistance. daily resistance, and this is our daily support. So first level is this one, support and resistance. Keep in mind that these supports and resistance, the way I mark them, are not a magnetic levels. Like they don't magnetize price towards them. No, no, no. It's not like this. It is the levels when price reaches towards them, they react. They only react. They don't magnetize things the way we have liquidities. I will show you liquidities right now on lower time frame chart. So you will see price magnetize towards those liquidities. But like these candles, resistance and support, we will not find out that they are magnetized. But whenever price came closer to these levels, these are extremes levels. At support we find to, like, if it swept and gives some kind of structure shift, so we longed. And at resistance, if structure shifted on lower time frame like M15 M5, then we short. So these are our extreme POI. So important levels, structure shifted here in order block. And if you see this, we have a good good SR level here as well. This SR level tapped here and perfectly bounced till now, like 1 to 2%, I suppose. Yes, around 1.5%. So all good on Bitcoin chart, but the problem is from where we are going to bounce. Daily support I am aiming. And another thing is third tap here. We didn't get third tap here. So there are probability that we can came down the way Israel and Iran are fighting with each other. So it seems like if that thing escalate a bit more, then this zone is our actually a important zone to watch, because this is on higher time frame. The first chart I show you, this level is our BOS or MSB. If we lose here, we are losing the trend, and then we will shift into lower lows, like the way we are in higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It should have gone towards higher high, but it created lower high. So if it came down towards lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high formations will form, and price will retrace back. So for keeping this thing in mind, this level is a dead level 1000, like it is the level of 1372.26, and it is Binance spot chart. Okay, now going back to lower time frame. Yes, BOS level, third tap, and daily support is here. Where is our H4? What is going on H4? I think I have a short order. I will remove it now. On lower time frame, I will remove this as well. I will keep chart clean. So this is H4 support as well. Double confirmation here. Mhm. This is a POI, H4 POI for me. And I will clear this one as well. H4 POI. When I will wait here to price to came sustain a bit here, like if it came here, I will wait for M15 to create some kind of structure like this. Then I will enter here, and that will be my clear sign of, like, reversal here. So keep this thing in mind. We are not going anywhere. Look at this resistance here, resistance, too much resistance here. But the important part now is how market runs. Market always runs on liquidity. We need liquidity as a fuel to run the market. And where are the liquidities? How to find them? Let me show you. There are 10,000 of liquidities. Everyone name them according to their, like, swing highs, swing lows, daily highs, daily lows, previous day high lows, Monday high lows, previous week high lows. So One of them is equal highs. So we have found some equal highs in the region before going down. This one, this one equal high on spot. It didn't came up here, but in future it almost tapped same level. And other one is on H1 here. If I show you, look at these equal highs here. These one. So these equal highs will be taken out sooner than later. Let me show you on future chart here. Look at future chart. Equal high, equal highs. This is my trading chart. I will explain it to you. What does it mean? Okay, back to the chart. So if structure shifted here, no, I am not placing a bottom catching limits like here. But if price came down here and gives some kind of structure like this, I am going to long it to target these equal highs. These are the my target. Keep this range in mind. This is your whole range. This one. So price will move in it, and uh, at start I show you a channel is being in process. This one, we have one tap, two tap, came down here and then go towards upside, and then came down and vice versa and do this. So this channel is also supporting my idea. What will we do? We will wait here and 15 structure shift on H4 POI it is, and 15 structure shift. We are going to long something like this, like let's suppose here, and stops if this is taken out. Well and good, doesn't take whatever the lows, and we will target these equal highs. And this is like 3.2 hour, but when this kind of phenomena will happen, stop will almost get tightening up here, so it will be like good 5 hour trade, and I am happy to take this trade. Other than that, I don't see we are in daily demand. As for the extreme POI, I have marked here. Yes, H4, H3, H3, we are already in H3 POI. So I have marked extreme POI here. I will wait for it. What happened here? We don't give a shit to it. What happened or what will happen? We don't care about it. So our POI for longs is here. We will long above those levels. This is on Bitcoin right now. Yes, right now people will say, okay, sir, this is a break of structure. You are looking for this POI, but this is also a break of structure. But overall, if you look at the trend, I will go with the trend. Trend is bullish. So I will be a bullish rather than going on like this. If you see, there are many more supports here, like many more things. OT zone forming here, zero point 0.7 fib level is also tested, but it didn't retest it. So there are chances that we came down to retest that level as well. This one. 102911. So it tested out, it didn't retest it. So there are chances that we probably came down here, like to tap here and then move up, and we go up towards uh, desire what we have the levels up here. This is it on Bitcoin. I think I covered everything, and if I missed something, sorry for that in advance. Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? And you following me? Yes, sir. I following you. I'm following you. I will remove this. This is a weekly levels. So if you are following me, I will remove these levels for now. So better understanding clean chart helps a lot. This is important zone here because this is auction here, field auction, field no. It didn't retest it. When it retests, we will know whether it is a field or. If you saw my previous video, this was the we were anticipating these, we had these equal highs as well here. If you see these equal highs here, and what was my idea? My idea was price was somewhere here trading, but it was rejected once. I think I have posted, uh, I have posted that idea somewhere. Let me show you reference, giving you a reference from Twitter. Here, this line, it will go up, sweep, and then come down to hunt this liquidity. Now, this was the liquidity here, and what was the idea was that we have supply here with equal highs up here. So we rejected from this supply, came down, didn't swept this liquidity. We all again go up, swept equal highs, now come down. Why we went up? Because this is supply and distribution zone. So we distributed whatever we have. Those who some of big players exited here, then again pushed market up to exit their back. So this was the supply which is playing out. For Ethereum, keep one thing in mind. Above this daily, above this daily order block, we are going towards 32, 3300. This zone, this cluster of supplies we will tag here. So this is Ethereum. Simple is that. Now if BTC drag down and Ethereum, we have support as well here, daily support we created here. But Ethereum is not acting like the way it should have acted. But who knows, we again miss this one and we start moving up towards upside again. If I draw a channel, we have a channel as well forming up here. So there are chances that we start moving up. We are bullish here. We will bullish above here on ETH, and when Bitcoin reaches towards its POI, we will be bullish on all over the market, on alts, on Ethereum, whatever you call the shit out of it, everything will be bullish because Bitcoin will be in long POI. Once we invalidate that plan, everything will be bearish. So simple, keep things simple. We have this level and this level. If we sweep down this level, as a typical range is also forming here, this one. So I will remove this one. Range high is taken out, deviated, now range lows. Take out these range lows and then continue towards upside. But who knows, front running and all that shit we will happen here. Other than that, I don't have much things on up to update. Uh, this was a daily. If you see those, this why I marked this one previous video, you should watch them. I have explained these why I marked them. See link exactly tapped the supply and rejected. So exactly C was like I was long on it, something like breakout here and then go up, but it didn't. Right now it is also on daily support. So remove this shit and we will wait for some structure shift here and then go up. Virtual hyper. Okay, hyper is good. Hyper is good by the way. It is holding. But the extreme POI will be this daily order block. If it came here, we will see it. XRP took this liquidity. Yes, this was also in last stream. You can see and watch it. So I will remove this one. These liquidities have been grabbed. Tau. Tau is again in the zone. This one. So Tau is a coin that flies like hell, man. I love this coin. Again, this is a POI matching with Bitcoin. Seems clear in validation. Stop below here, and you can target if Bitcoin stays stable, equal highs. This one. And Doge, shitcoin, Trump acting as a shitcoin, TRB. Okay, TRB is interesting. Nice, quick, beautiful order block here. This is, I have, I will take this trade. I am going to place bids on TRB here. Hmm, someone is nothing, bro, nothing. No, giving you a live trade here. Manage it according to yourself. According to yourself. One trade entry will be here. That is 34,739. 34,739. And for DCA, why it is not showing me the. I don't know what wrong with bucket. Stop here and another entry. I will suggest another entry here. 32.055. Spot, if someone taking it in a spot, and then we have this supply here. So simply we will target our supply here, one target and two targets. So it will be a good trade, like 4 hour trade it will be given. So keeping eye on it. TRB, everyone knows this coin. When it starts to move, it moves. And till then, okay, last one, USDT dominance, the same. Okay, why I mark this? Says daily supply. There are chances and there are not chances as well, because we dropped from here and we are dropping again from the same zone. So if it goes towards there, and then all our plans will be good and ready to explode. And for the from Ethereum move, I will wait to break down this. If it break down it, this is 14%. So Ethereum will be like 20-30% up, quick up. So if it gives move towards this zone, that will be a good zone to buy things out. Total three moved exactly what I planned. but it again mm, dropped. So I will mark this order block now. It came down, bounced, structure shifted here, and now it should bounce back hard. But geopolitical situations are not in the favor of markets right now. That's why everything is like moving shit, shit, shit. But no worries, we are here and we are watching. Patience, patience, patience is the game here. And today, what New York Open did at 7:30. It is a New York Open here. We have this small range up, range down here. 0.7 tapped, retested, and down. So New York Open, what happened on New York Open is we opened, went, and then came down. And I have short orders here. This is my short trade as well. This one in this H1. So I think I should remove it out right now. This is not looking good. Things are changing, so I will remove it. Other than that, lower time frame are weak. Look at this sell out and slow bounce, so they will bleed a bit more. It will take some time. Range high, range low. This is Monday low as well. So reclaiming of here from here towards upside here, then we will be good till this supply. So yes, this extreme POI will be a good zone for us to take trades and look at it. Something like this. It will be like came down here and then M15 sweep and then range out and then go up. So we will wait for it. This is it for my side on Bitcoin and everything. Everything is good, okay, but this is due to geopolitical situation. All Fukre happened. Nothing is that much serious. See you in next video. Thank you till watching till end. Allah Hafiz.